All right, good afternoon. So this is ADA Cardano Futures contracts, and simply just gonna go through this trade that was successful using a 23% Fibonacci retracement strategy. We're gonna take it from this high, we're gonna swing it down to this low. So we have this low right here, and basically want to take the trade up into the 61% retracement level, between the 70 and the 61%. And clearly, you see that we have a nice, we broke above the 23%, came back below. All right. And I'm going to actually do a fib on this move too to show you entries. All right. So we got it above, and then we finally made some higher highs, higher lows. And then we finally got to our box. We're currently out of the trade. So this was a successful trade using this particular method. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna show you how we can find entries based off after prices basically went through the 23% area. And what we want to do is we want to see where these levels line back up, and we want to look for entry between the 61 and the 70%. And we actually got that. Right now, can it go lower? Yes. So we do. A lot of times we still do it to the 78. So this will be really truly ideal for where we're looking for entry points to get into the trade. Right, and so it lines up with confluence as well too. That this was an area where we had price break out of an imbalance, came back, loaded here, had a couple of tests here, and it came back and picked up some additional orders in order to take this up to the upside. More than likely, probably had a lot of shorts in the market from this big, massive drop down, and now they're being trapped for whatever the reason, for them thinking that market was going to continue dumping. Right, so this is what we're dealing with, and let's do this. In fact, let's go and look at the order book, and let's see what's going on in liquidation site. All right, so voila, over here to your right, for the last 4 hours, we have basically a lot of shorts in the market. So 90%, 98%, 96%. All right, all these were short. So look what happened. If all of them was short, still why are we in this uptrend? This is wiping out all the traders who got in short. Right, it's collecting all their stop losses, and essentially, you know, until price decides that we could resume to go lower. So this right here is going to do what? It's going to trap and get a lot of buyers potentially into the market. These are all, novice traders. Then they're not seasoned. So of course now they're running in buy-in, and guess where all their stop losses are? It's all back down into this area as well too. And so this is particularly what could happen. This market is still bearish overall. This is the 15-minute chart. So that's that, but we're not out the blue for the most part. Not percentage wise. All right, so let's go on a higher time analysis and let's see what's going on up there. Yeah, so it's the daily. This is pretty much an accumulation zone that we are at on the chart. So we do have these key little support areas right here, sitting at 41%, 41 cent, I meant. And we could go a little bit lower, probably around to the 38. So this is a region that we definitely want to keep an eye on. So we got this right here where we got a lot of action over here where price still can come back into this region. All right. So that'll keep us there. But for the most part, if you're long-term investing, it's not financial advice, but accumulating in these regions, I mean, you really can't go too wrong. It's better than people who was accumulating up in these regions, that's for sure. All right. So you definitely got a discount on Cardano with that. But yeah, remember, in our style of trading, we're contrarians. We don't try to follow the crowd. Instead, we study the crowd. We saw that the crowd was what? Going short. So we look for what? Buying setups. And we have capitalized. We're done for the day. All right. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'm out. It's your boy E White. Peace.